Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we will learn Quranic alphabets, lesson 2, part 10. This lesson is brought to you by eQuranacademy.com. If you want to learn Quran online at home with live Quran classes for kids and adults from qualified Quran teachers, visit now eQuranacademy.com and sign up for 3 days free trial classes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم تاميم تاميم تاميم. This is single ta, but when we write Arabic, ta will write like this. When we write in words, ta will write like this. Ta has two dots on top. Only you can recognize ta by two dots. Ta meem. Ta is green. Meem is maroon. Please read after me. Ta meem. Ta meem. Ta-meem. 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 Ba-ha-meem. Pronounce ha from farthest part of throat or lower part of throat. Ba ha meem. Ba ha meem. Ba is green, ha is blue, meem is maroon. This is single ba. When we write Arabic, ba will write like this, ha will write like this, meem will write like this. Please read after me. Ba ha meem. 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 Ya ha. Ya ha. Ya ha. This is single ya, but when we write words, ya will write like this, and you can recognize ya by two dots. Ya has two dots below. Ya ha. Ha has clear sound and ha has no dot on it. Please read after me. Ya ha. Ya ha. Ya ha. Ya ha. Ya ha. Ba jim. Ba jim. Ba jim. This is single ba, but when we write Arabic, ba will write like this and jim will write like this. Jim has one dot in middle, ba has one dot below. Ba is blue, jim is green. Please read after me. Ba jim. Ba jim. Ba jim. Ba jim. Ba jim. Okay, now we will repeat one more time, and we removed English words and you can recognize letters without English. If you think you still need more help, or you cannot recognize compound alphabets properly, please rewind this lesson and learn again with English help. But after all, you have to read without English help, because when you read Quran, inshallah, you will see there is no English in Quran, so you have to recognize there is no other option. So let's repeat one more time. Tamim, 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 tamim. Please read after me. Ba, ha, mim. Pronounce ha from lower part of throat. Ba, ha, mim. Ba, ha, mim. Ba, ha, mim. Ba, ha, mim. Please read after me. Ya, ha. Ha has clear sound and ha has no dot. Ya, ha. Ya, ha. Ya, ha. Ya, ha. Please read after me. Bajim, 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 bajim. Okay, we have completed today's lesson. If you have any question regarding this lesson, or you don't understand anything, please ask us in comment section below, and we will give you quick answer, inshallah. And share this lesson with your family and friends, and spread light of Quran. Inshallah, you will get reward for that. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.